Alright friends, welcome back. We are in the second video of JavaScript arrays, and let me tell you, this is my favorite part of JavaScript because we are now dealing with a lot of things simultaneously. And JavaScript arrays, please do not undermine the power of JavaScript arrays. This is like, populating databases using programming language. So I have notes here for you that I want to share. JavaScript arrays, I think you can see it here. Yes, array elements can be objects. JavaScript variables can be objects. Okay, arrays are special kinds of objects, so please don't forget that arrays are special kinds of objects. Because of this, you can have variables of different types in the same array. So you can have variables of different types in the same array. Just like we saw in the previous example, you could have a string and numerical in the same array. You could have a string in inverted commas and a numerical without any inverted commas. You can have objects in an array. You can have functions in an array. You can have arrays in an array. Okay, date.now object, my function or method. Okay, and you can have arrays in an array. Alright, array properties and methods. Can you now appreciate the vastness of an array? Alright, pretty cool. Array properties and methods. The real strength of JavaScript arrays are built in array properties and methods. Examples are cars.length. The length property returns the number of elements, and cars.sort. The sort property sorts the arrays. Alright, let's get back to our example here. Let me move this a little bit up here. Yes, perfect. All right. Yes, let's delete this notepad and begin typing. Doc type. I have a nice example ready for you. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Okay, we are working on the length property of the array, and remember, the length property is always, it returns the length of the array, and it's always one more than the index. Okay, let me explain what it means when I say one more than the index. Okay, just hang in there. Now type paragraph. The length property returns the length of an array. Okay, close the paragraph tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. Open up script tag and say var fruits is equal to inverted commas banana, comma, orange, comma, apple, comma, mango. Alright, no comma. I stress no comma. End of statement marker. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits dot length length, and close the script tag, the body tag, and the HTML tag. Let's save the file. Alright, file, save as, and save it as JavaScript array 6, program 6, and also save as .html. And let's find this file here. Okay, the length property returns the length of an array. It's always one more than the index. Okay, the length is 1 2 3 4. Okay, but the index number is 0 1 2 3. Okay, that doesn't mean the length is 3. The length is 4. Total elements in the array are 4. All right, let's look at the next example. All right, friends, the next example shows loops. Okay, you must have heard the word loops many times. Now, loop is something that helps you populate the array, remove elements from the array, okay, check for elements in an array, move through the array, and many more functions. Okay, JavaScript arrays, and we're talking about loops right now. Loops. H1. All right. Open up the paragraph tag and say the best way to loop through an array is using a standard for the loop. Okay, close the paragraph tag, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag and open up the script tag, var fruits text, okay, flen, okay, and I. So you're declaring all of these variables in one statement. Okay, now once you've declared the variables, now you want to populate them with arrays. Okay, array names, array elements. Banana fruits are banana, orange, apple, mango, all right, what's flen? Flen is, you already declared it, now you're going to populate the various fruits dot length. Okay, end of statement marker. Text is equal to, let's add an unordered list. ul is unordered list. For, let's start the loop. For I is always the counter, your index. Okay, I is equal to 0. I is less than flen, that's length of the fruit field, s less than flen plus plus I. Okay, and hit tab and say text plus is equal to, that means text plus is equal to whatever the text is plus 1. List, okay, li, this is going to be an ordered list. Inverted commas closed, plus fruits, okay, open up the square bracket, I, close the square bracket, plus, I'll explain what it's doing. Okay, just hang in there. li, inverted commas closed, and end of statement marker, end of curly bracket, and then out of the loop text plus is equal to unordered list, close the tag. Okay, hit tag. Now type document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to text Okay, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Let's save this file as file, save as, this is example number 7, and as html.html. Save, find the file. The best way to loop through an array is using a standard for loop. So the array was printed out like that. Okay, first what you did was you declared your variables fruits, text, flen and I, where fruits is the array with elements banana, orange, apple and mango. Flen is fruits.length, whatever the length of the fruit is. Instead of declaring the length of the fruits array as 4, like type hard typing it, you are making it flexible, which means if I want to add more fruits here, the fruits.length value will change. Okay, hence this is a better way of programming. Text is equal to unordered list. So text is nothing but what you can display in an unordered list, which is using these bullet points. You're going to say I is equal to, for I is equal to 0, like begin reading from 0, and for I is less than flen, and keep reading till you reach till the end of the array, plus I increment. That means increment. And then within the function or within the loop, you say text plus is equal to add first of the list, okay, plus fruits, and add an I here, which means whatever length, whatever index you're referring to right now. So begin from 0 and go till the length of the fruits list is completed, and keep printing. Okay, so and when you get out of the loop, text plus is equal to unordered list. So the list continues. Okay, document.get element by id demo, that's the line that helps you publish it. Okay, close the script tag. This might sound a little bit complicated in the beginning, but as we go through the program, as we go through more examples, it's going to get more clear. Let's look at another example here to reinforce what I just said. All right, this example allows you to add arrays. Okay, what's adding arrays? Let's look at that. Doc type, like for example, you have an array with elements. How do you load it? Okay, let's look at it. Very interesting. I'm telling you, this is very powerful programming. As we are progressing from this point on, things are going to get progressively complicated, and you can't go any further if you don't practice or don't get it. JavaScript arrays, close the h1 tag, open up the paragraph tag and say the push method appends a new element to an array. Now you can look up append, the meaning of append in any dictionary. It means add. Okay, add something to something already existing. Button on click, okay, we're adding a button here, is equal to my function. Close the tag and say try it. Close the button tag. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag and open the script tag and say var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Okay, function, my function, open up the curly bracket and say fruits dot push lemon document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Close the curly bracket and close the script tag. Okay, and the next line is close the body tag and close the HTML tag. All right. Oops. Okay, let me just check my errors here. Let's save this file as file save as 8th example, file save as .html. all right, and let's find the file here. Okay, the push method, which is the on click button, okay, appends a new element to an array. Try it. Lemon, 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 lemon. Okay, you're gonna keep adding it. Okay, refresh, keep adding it. So if you want to add more, you can add a for loop here and you can populate it. So my function fruits dot push. Okay, add lemon inside document dot get element by id. Now instead of lemon, you could have input from the user. That's an intelligent way of seeing this piece of code, that you could have input from the user. Whatever user is inputting, you just add that, push it to the array. Okay, and it would keep going on till you expire the memory area reserved for this program. All right, let's look at another example. Okay, this method that I'm about to explain would yield the same result. Like, you can add as many lemons as you want. The push method that we just did, this method is known as the okay, using the push method. The other one is the length property. Okay, adding with the new element. Let me show it to you. Open up the HTML, body, h1, JavaScript, arrays. All right, and close the h1 tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say the length property provides an easy way to append new elements to an array without using push method. Okay, so let's use that, and let me show you. This is just an alternative way of appending. Again, create a button and say on click is equal to my function. Okay, and say try it and close the button tag. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag here and say var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Okay, and document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits function my function, open up curly bracket, hit enter and tab and say fruits, open up this box bracket, fruits dot length, length, okay, and close the box bracket and say lemon. Okay, keep appending till you reach the end of the array. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Close the curly bracket, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Right? Let's save this file. Save as 9 and save as HTML file .html save. All right, and let's find this file here. It's going to do the same thing. Okay, if you need an explanation, here's the explanation. You just keep adding function by function, fruits dot length. Okay, you declared the length of an array to be fruits dot length, whatever the fruits dot length is. Remember, arrays can contain arrays. So is equal to lemon. Document dot get element by id. Okay, and print fruits. So as long as you, it seems like the more you click on it, the more you're extending the length of the array and you're adding lemon to it. Okay, there are more examples. Let me close this video and I'll see you in the next video.